Just look at what the federal government is doing. Look at the hatred.
He has issues bothering his mind. Chief among them is what he says is the continued marginalization of River State by the federal government.
Look at the project, they say that states will benefit from this money we are borrowing from World Bank that they have sent to the National Assembly for approval. The only state that is not benefiting is River State.
The River State governor says the action is not only vindictive, but also geared at crippling the state.
I've never felt bitter the way I feel now that I don't think we belong to this country. I don't think so. I don't think so. That federal government will go and collect loan and share it to states, projects. And because Wike is the governor, and therefore the entire state should suffer. That is not the whole essence of politics. That is not it.
Governor Nyesom Wike also frowns at attempts by some quarters to use religion and ethnicity in the dispute over the collection of value-added tax.
You don't even need to be a lawyer to know that VAT is not in item 58 and 59 of the second schedule of the Constitution of 1999 amended. Everybody knows that. It is not even in the concurrent list. Therefore, it falls under the residual list. It is not arguable.
He says there's nowhere in the world where states are equal.
Some people say, oh, be a brother's keeper. I have no problem in being my brother's keeper. But I will not be a brother's keeper when I know that my brother is an armed robber. I can't do that. I mean, why would I be a brother's keeper when I know that you're conniving with an armed robber to do something that's wrong?
The River State governor says he will continue to fight for what is right and for true federalism in Nigeria.
So every state has its own advantages and disadvantages. It's your ability to be creative, to know how to turn your own advantages to something that will help your people. It's not to sit somewhere, and you can imagine when the governor says, this VAT will not work. What will work is banditry. I mean, I can't understand a governor say a judgment of court will not stand. But what will stand is banditry.
Dagbo Biakeme, AIT News, Port Harcourt.